What to check when your cartridge isn't threading the embroidery through the needle. So as you can see, I'm lowering the cartridge slowly, and in the middle you'll have the little hook that will grab onto your embroidery thread when it snaps into place. And if that little piece isn't centered with the needle, or if it's offset, either it's too high or too low, that will be enough for your thread not to go through the eye of the needle. So, as you can see, mine is spot on, and it clicks into place, and there it goes. It is properly threaded. This hasn't always been the case. I've had to adjust it, had to move it slightly down, as it was just missing every single time, and now it works. So it's something useful that you can check. Just maybe use your phone or have a good eye and see where that middle piece is, and if it's hitting your needle or going on to one side of the needle, the other side of the needle, or if it's not reaching it all together, or maybe it's broken. If you need to adjust it, you can just unclip it from the top. As you can see, it's held into place by these little pins, and just separate that over there, push it down, and it falls out of place, as you can see. And it is that little piece in the middle, that little hook. So that's what's going to grab your thread and pull it through the eye of the needle. So just give that a go, see if that little hook hits the right place, and if it does, you should be okay.